This is to dispel any misunderstanding about the number 666. You are made of a carbon atom. The word carbon, and I'm not pushing religion. This is for this is for people who just want to know about mythology, who want to know truth, and are just into Gnostic knowledge. All right. So the word carbon has been derived from the word garba anyway, because the universe is rife with carbon. Carbon 12, this element within it. Okay, so you're made of a carbon atom, and the element within this carbon or carbon atom, all right, is carbon 12. Yeah, stars are made of it. Stars are made of it. They go through a triple alpha process. That's what gives them this particular carbon makeup and gives you your carbon makeup as well. So the basic makeup of a carbon atom, which you are made of, is 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons. You're made of carbon 12. All right, that's the element you're made of. This is all fact. You also have 12 cranial nerves. All right. So then, and again, 6 goes into the number 12 twice. All right. And number 12 and the number 6, well, you can just look at your reality. When you roll 2 dice, you're always aiming for the 2 6s, aren't you? Which make number 12, which are also 2 6s. Alright, so 666 is also a code. I alluded to a video about the 9 is the 12. Okay, the 9 is the 12, and I was talking to a particular class of people, but the 9 is the 12 was referring to, again, I'm not pushing religion, I'm just telling you stuff you don't know. You don't have to believe it. This is why I call science, to prove my point in regards to what is around me and within me, which can be quantified. Anyway, what I wanted to say was the 9 is the 12 is referring to Prophet Muhammad as-salam being incarnated as also the 9th Imam, who was Imam Muhammad Jawad, who is also the 12th Imam. Alright, whoever he may be, whoever this character may be, is also the 12th Imam. So that was a code. The 9 is the 12. They know this code. Like I said, I was talking to a particular class of people. They know this code. But I'm going to explain this right now. The 9 is also the number 6, and the number 6 goes into the number 12 twice. So if the 9 is a 6, there's a 6 right there, and the number 6 goes into the number 12 twice. So that's a 666. So this number again signifies the 666 and the return of a particular man, okay, who is a mythological figure. That's what I was referring to as well. And within their stories, in the tabloid, you'll often see them using reference to this number. So it might come as 900 soldiers left a barracks and, they killed 1,200 people. That might be embedded. That's just an example. That might be embedded in many of the tabloid stories. So please don't be confused about the number 666. It may be on a can. That is Hebrew. They've put the number 666 on a Monster can. I understand that, but they want that number demonized. But many people will still drink that particular drink. They're just demonizing your chemical makeup, okay? Because there's a force on this earth, a cult on this earth that are against that. Look, whether you believe it or not, there's a cult on this earth that focus upon the cathode, the negative charge, okay, and they are against humanity, and therefore are against the human, and therefore against also the atom, the very number that the human signifies. All right. So they'll demonize that number, but they will also use that number in your reality. For when you're in trouble in the UK, you will always call 999, which is the 666. Again, it's the yin yang symbol. The 6 is the 9. All right, as well. All right, so you'll use it in an emergency, but then you'll demonize it when it comes to spirituality or understanding your own truth. All right, so don't do that, please. This is just the science. My explanation for explaining the science of the number 666 and why it's demonized. All right, peeps.